kodhi wuok mamit.
Billy Mameda.
Ka duol mane?
Oh, Feliz Navidad. Feliz Navidad.
Tengah sedang.
Billy Navidad. Billy Navidad.
Kau mani duondi. Matangone.
$2.
Feliz Navidad.
Feliz Navidad.
Feliz Navidad.
Feliz Navidad.
Mano ni you the money ko pedi mo meron bona karibi umin. Jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle bell. No way. Jingle bell, one is today. Jingle bell, jingle all the way.
We wish you a
Merry Christmas. What man no photo kanye. Na ye. We wish you a Merry Christmas. Happy New Year. Iya kan yo ngato ngata cel kecen. Happy New Year.
Yene manyalo ko.
Oken ginji mangeny ya. Oro ino ngono gitu.
Jolwe mano keteni Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.
Yung mana teka ka ini ka kwani ini ka moron. Apeji. Gimana mana mesa chama kama mechi deka. Jito ki mina no fuono.
Happy.
Kwani kaya.
Kwani ni bofo.
Joke
Choko.
Mata fuwa manare makitango.
Feliz Navidad.
Feliz Navidad. Feliz Navidad.
Feliz Navidad. I wanna wish you a
Merry Christmas. Buat kare mana penduduk. Merry Christmas. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. Ewa wendo ngani hebat the way.
I wish you success.
I wish you success. I wish you success. Anti mo dong.
You wishing at success.
Macam tu mana?
Happy birthday
To you. Happy birthday. Jesus Arawena.
Jesus binya penyonia. How old are you?
Mani dua penyonia.
My mobile mogi.
Ada mana toka page.
My mobile
Pengen
mogi.
saya walau kau kama.
Mary's boy child.
Jesus
Was born.
It's a Christmas day.
The angels sing.
One bay was sing today. What's up, my beautiful people? What's up, my beautiful? What's up, my beautiful people, and all the protocol of SAP.
Yes.
We thank for your Christmas and Happy New Year.
And
Thank you, Mr. Speaker, sir, for giving me this opportunity to propose the motion. As I take the microphone, I want to take this opportunity to wish all fans of Onyulo TV a happy New Year and a Merry Christmas. Only got
Dongin media
Mary ni
en manya konyoli Yesu.
Tunyirimicha kumeri biltinde tin.
No, I want to talk to two people. Yes, I want to talk Bana Kisumu.
We record we in work joka.
Talk to them.
Yes, I'm talking to only two people. Please, those who have not subscribed to Onyulo TV, you please gonga hiyo kengele, tuchape kazi, alafu more of the contents will be coming upon. Ama nyoma niseme kizungu yako.
Once upon a time there was three boys. This three boys. What no, achake marach. One in the morning there was a bird which sing and the chapping and from one monkey to the one monkey, which and that
within a twinkle of an eye, I saw some monkey.
As a monkey.
Why ni Samantha ya?
And
daonge. Do wacha Samantha.
Wanawili kidogo ya dhuluma no kado wa guru kabwana.